In this educational video, we will take a more comprehensive look into the basic functions on MT4 and learn how to utilize these tips and techniques to help streamline your trading experience. Tip 1. Customize your workspace. Arrange the windows and panels according to your preference, dock or in-dock. Resize and even hide the windows to create a workspace that suits your trading style. Tip 2. Customize your charts. Personalize your chart to fit your preferred style of trading. Right-click on the chart and select Properties. In Colors, design your graph and chart to create a clearer outlook of the market. Insert the Ask line on your chart by activating it in Common. The Ask line may only be visible on the lower time frames if the spread is small. Tip 3. Enable one-click trading. MT4 offers a convenient one-click trading feature. Enabling this feature allows you to place and close trades with a single click directly from the chart. After enabling, right-click on the chart and make sure one-click trading is checked. Tip 4. Drawing tools. By utilizing the various drawing tools in MT4, you can enhance your technical analysis, identify important levels, and visualize your trading ideas. Trend lines, Fibonacci levels, shapes, and objects can assist you by visually representing price movements and make more informed trades. Tip 5. Pending orders and alerts. Simply by right-clicking on the chart below the market price, create a buy limit pending order. You also have the option to create a sell stop order or just set up an alert. A sell limit order or buy stop order can also be done by right-clicking above the market price.